Turmeric, the spice which is being used all around the world to enhance flavor of the food and has a significant role to play when consumed. Let us first introduce with the history of this spice. It is being said that turmeric dates back nearly 4,000 years to the Vedic culture in India. At that time it was used as a cultural element and had some religious importance. Turmeric reached China by 700 AD, West Africa by 1200 AD, East Africa by 800 AD, and Jamaica in the 18th century. It is believed that turmeric plant was originally originated in South Asia first and then it went to other parts of the world. India is the biggest producer of turmeric and consumes 80% of it. Indian turmeric is considered one of the best turmeric in the world. So, let us tell you how much of benefits this spice carries within itself. Turmeric has curcumin. It is a substance that has high number of inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Turmeric fights health conditions which include heart diseases, cancer, Alzheimer's disease, metabolic syndrome. Turmeric boosts up the brain and due to this neuron are capable of forming new connections which is good for overall brain health. Turmeric helps with physical needs of the body such as increasing libido. It improves joint function. Turmeric has healing powers, so it helps with the muscle health. It is said to have a cup of hot milk with turmeric in it will help with the muscle pain. Applying it on a skin wound would help the wound heal faster. Turmeric is good for male and female reproductive health. People with arthritis, when they consume turmeric, it helps them with the internal pains. It is believed that it helps people suffering from depression and mental illness, even though a proper medication is needed, but having turmeric in your diet can help because it is good for overall brain health. Turmeric has anti-aging properties. It works great for skin health and acne. Turmeric fights dandruff and at the same time it reduces hair fall. Turmeric is good for scalp health. Using a shampoo containing turmeric will improve the hair-related issues and it will promote hair health. While turmeric has these much of benefits, the only drawback is that if you use it too much you might end up with an upset stomach and in extreme cases ulcers, so the people with gallstones or obstruction of the bile passages should ask their doctors. We will see you in another video with all the history and facts. Till then, make sure to have turmeric, but not too much.